fine. Too much lighting. What is my camera dirty? So we are going out. My God, this place, the heat will just blow you. Whoa. Be good though, be nice, be kind, because hellfire is not easy. Even they said it will be cool in the evening. This one said it's not cool. Oh my God, but yeah. Self-inclined boxes. Ah, whoa. Oh, dúró lórí ẹ̀ ni. Wow. Wow, I love it. Oh my God. Need I love chocolate? Look at that. How much is this? Oh, bóyá kí èmi tí mo fẹ́. Thank you. So we bought our bag, our hand luggage. I really like the pink, but I want the one we can both use. And they are opening Primark soon. Primark opening soon. Well, we should go and look for pharmacy because I've not been sick ever since. So it's now that I travel. See the devil. The devil, I step on you. I step on the devil. Please, where are we going now? Where are we going?
This is pomegranate tea. Very good for kids. It's rich calcium.
Oh, yeah, come. You're fed up. Dara, see me. Stay where we are. One way.
Come here now.
Brother, come to drink this one also.
Don't pour it on your clothes.
I show only 10 days oil.
Give him some tea. He's a funny guy.
Thank you.
Manuel Mukashi, he plays football in my team in Egypt. Nigerian guy, he's a very good guy.
Ah.
Habibi, come to Dubai. Drink madam, Dubai tea.
Thank you.
خذ المرة بتاعتك ده عشان تسجل ودنا. طيب براسك come. Come to Dubai. اسمع عليه.
Mama, it's too sweet. What's it doing, Juliana?
You like something, brother?
Yeah, we'll come back. I know.
Where you go now?
Just go.
Come. The only thing we can eat here is Chinese restaurant. I'm looking for Chinese restaurant. Yeah, let's go. This is Chinatown. This is beautiful. It's only Germany that we don't have Chinatown. China is everywhere. Oh yeah, we are looking for restaurants to eat. For kids. This is beautiful. I'm giving you excellence, guys. I'm giving them excellence. One of the most beautiful toilets I've ever seen. Like the entrance. Guys, we are in Dubai and I thought of something. When you go to Nigeria or some places, they will be saying no pictures, don't snap us, you are not allowed to use this, you are not allowed to use that, don't do this, don't do that. You people, you don't know you are losing. When people come to your country or to your store or something and do video, other people would see it. I saw people going live on TikTok. Business owners here in Dubai going live on TikTok, showing people, how people are buying things in their stores and all that. But in Nigeria, don't film it, don't do this. Here, I want to come and see your store. Don't you know that when people see it, they would know, oh, this store is here, let's go there. Some places we are looking for now, all the way from Germany, we are looking for places that we've seen before online. We've seen people post, and that's the main reason we even came to Dubai, to experience things people have been posting. As you can see, so many people, we are allowed to do anything, we are allowed to record. Nobody is telling you no, don't film, don't do this, don't do that. It's frustrating. I will now go to Nigeria, you see, you finally see something that is, oh, let me just record it and let's show the world that, oh, we also have nice things. Don't record. Imagine shape like is local mentality. Local. Stop it. Stop doing that. Especially the security. Waribata, Salubata, most of them cozy. Don't let me get angry and talk. Let me send it to your godfather. Yes. We'll come tomorrow, okay? They are closed. We'll come and ride tomorrow, okay? Kini 8 yeah? Not too bad. Which one do you want? Always call me Mama Mia, and we found Mama Mia Gelato in Dubai. Am I going to open Mama Mia Gelato in Nigeria? It can happen. Hey, nobody should see my idea. So ever since when we went to Nigeria before we had our kids, I was maybe arguing with my husband, and I was like, he was driving us, and I was like, Mama Mia, basta! Like, stop, it's okay. Since then, he started calling me Mama Mia. He started calling me Mama Mia. That's the only Italian he understands. So, look at my face! The Dubai blinks, the rich people of Dubai. I always watch it on Netflix. And this girl, Safa, Her name is Safa or something. Very jealous girl. She doesn't want she wants her husband to slim down, but she doesn't want her husband to have a female gym instructor. Safa, very crazy and spoiled wife. So yeah, we are going out now to take the taxi. We came very late. We came late, but maybe we'll come some other time if we have time. We have just maybe 4 days left. We are staying here for just 6 days. 6 days in Dubai. The 7th day, we fly back to Germany. Wow, look at this suit. The mall is beautiful, but man, I don't want to start buying or shopping anything. I beg. I don't want to. We came to see the beautiful buildings, beautiful. Okay.
Enu ebe enu na AI na AI ti bati je na AI wa fi AI ye debi wa fi debi tebi AI ni na AI